everybody, Juliana here. Welcome back to the kitchen. It's Christmas time and I'm so excited for it. I love Christmas and all the recipes, decorations and energy that comes with it. Today I will be showing you a very green and really fun Christmas tree cake. It's so fun to make, and tastes amazing and looks incredible on any Christmas dinner table. And today's Portuguese word of the day is Natal. Natal, which means Christmas.
So for the cake, I'm using the same vanilla cake recipe from my birthday cake video. The recipe is in the link below. For this cake, I doubled the recipe and made it with 2 rectangle trays and 1 square tray. Make sure to place the cakes in the fridge before cutting to firm them up. Cut all the domes off the tops of the cakes. I cut the rectangles also into squares. This will help make your tree shape when stacking them. Cut the squares in 3 equal layers, about 1.5 centimeters. For the base square, I only did 2 layers, but for all the others, I did 3. Trim all the edges to make them nice and even. I always try to use as much cake as I can, but if there are leftovers, you can just freeze them and make cake balls, truffles, crumble, whatever you want. For the filling, I made this delicious raspberry ganache. Over a pot with simmering to boiling water. In a stainless steel bowl, melt 400 grams of white chocolate with 190 grams of raspberry puree. You can just get some fresh or frozen raspberry, blend it and strain. Add 110 grams of cream. Add 1 tablespoon of dried raspberry powder. Melt over bain-marie until it is all melted and well combined. I add some food coloring to make it a little more red. It's up to you. Place in the fridge until it's firm. For the buttercream, combine 375 grams of sugar with 300 grams of egg whites and over bain-marie, cook it until 160 Fahrenheit, whisking all the time. I just use my mixing bowl over the pot. Place into the mixer and mix it over medium to high speed until completely cool and stiff. Add 675 grams of soft cold butter gradually. Add 3 teaspoons of vanilla paste or 1 vanilla bean. Mix the buttercream until creamy. Add the green food coloring until you get the desired color. Gel food coloring works the best. For assembling the cake, you will need a square cake board. Put the buttercream and ganache into piping bags. Add the buttercream on the edges. I made this lighter green buttercream for a different effect. I just add a little bit of the leafy green to some buttercream. Add the ganache. And a little bit of buttercream again in the middle. Cover the cake with the darker buttercream. Spread using a spatula and a cake scraper. Place the cake into the fridge. Repeat all layers for all cakes. As you finish, place all the cakes in the fridge. As you finish one cake, you can go to the next to add more buttercream and finish it up. For the leaf effect, I add some buttercream and just press it on, pulling up like that. After firmed up, place one cake over the other with a small rotation in a diamond shape to give it a tree effect. You also need to stick some wooden sticks into the cake to hold it together. Pipe some little grass to give a nice finish on the edges and to make it look even more like a tree. After everything was ready, I decided to add some darker green buttercream to give an extra leaf effect. For decorating our tree, we need some chocolate balls and a cookie star that I painted with some gold chocolate powder. You can also use some icing sugar for a snow effect. For the gifts, I put together some celebration cookies and gave a cute tape decoration.
So, this was my Christmas tree cake. I will be honest, it's not really the easiest cake to make, but it's definitely a fun one and even more fun to eat. I hope you like this video. Keep watching for more amazing and delicious recipes during the holidays. Thank you so much for watching. Feliz Natal! Ciao!